Alright, well, it is a beautiful day outside, and I am still trying to figure out the settings on my Caddx Walnut. Getting overexposed even with ND16 and forcing shutter speed. So right now we're going to try 4K 60 with a 1/20th shutter speed to see if that closes off the light a little bit and keeps me from being too overexposed. And if I don't like the way that looks, then the next step is going to be to just set the shutter on auto and hope that having the ND filter on there just makes the motion blur happen all by itself. So anyways, here's the spot. It's the complex. Nice open cool stuff over there. Got these trees, some good obstacles. It's one of my new favorite spots to fly. Alright, so here's the camera. The Caddx Walnut. We got the ND16 filter on there, and we are recording at 4K 60 with a 1/20 shutter speed.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Alright, so I just finished number one, the first one, with 1/120th shutter speed at 4K 60. So now I'm going to change everything to 4K 60 auto shutter speed, and my hope is that having the ND16 filter on there will sort of push the algorithm of the camera towards around where I want it to be, that magic number of 2 times your frame rate, so you get that nice motion blur. So stay tuned, we'll see. Look at this absolutely beautiful day that the Lord has made for us today. All right. Great day to get out and fly, test out some cameras. And always remember, guys, one of my favorite verses I want to leave you with about temptation. So, 1 Corinthians 10 verse 13 says, no temptation has overtaken you, but such is common to man. But God is faithful. He will not let you be tempted beyond what you are able to endure. But for every temptation, He will provide you a path or an escape. So just remember, next time you're tempted to do something wrong, God gives you an out. You don't have to do it. It's FPV Preacher.